What's going on, everybody? God bless. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday. You can see Sunday, June 1st. Trying to get it to say Sunday. Okay. So I actually got a service call I'm going to because tomorrow I had 3 calls tomorrow, but I forgot I had a dental appointment. So I'm gonna go to that dental appointment tomorrow. So I'm trying to get ahead on some calls. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one because this one is about 14 minutes away from me. So that's what we're doing. We already went to church. So hopefully it's a simple call on this Sunday. Hey, how you doing?
Hello, how are you?
Thank you for taking me in the Sunday.
Oh, thank you for coming on the Sunday. So the AC unit, I don't know if you got to go. You don't have to use the furnace. You don't have to mess with the furnace or nothing.
Yeah, I do. They make us look at everything, you know what I mean?
Okay, that's fine.
So this is in the basement. They just put this furnace in. This furnace looks newer. Look at this. They could at least put a transition on it or something. It's crazy. It's blocking some airflow right there. Ran the gas line right in front of you, huh? All right, let's see what's going on. It's one of those newest furnaces. Why is it not coming on? Condensate pump is good. The float is not up, it's down. Okay, we should have a call for cool. Get my magnet. Alright. .6. Let's check out this fuse. Oh, the fuse is blown. Let's put this bad boy on. Okay, so it popped it immediately. So I'm pretty sure got something going on in the cooling circuit. Let's go ahead, take this off. This is the outdoor wire. Alright, so that's the outdoor wire. They are using the blue wire for Y. Let's put this back on. So we should be receiving a call from our thermostat. Okay, so the issue is outside, so I might have a bad contactor. The good thing is we're right here in the basement, so I can go in and out. All right. Okay, so it's this one. Already didn't have a screw right there. 16. It's not too bad. I seen higher than that. That's about normal. 16. One more time. 16. Okay. Let's see. These wires are, oh, that's probably what's going on right here. This wire right here. Let me take a picture of that. Alright, so I'll trace this back. Make sure I don't see anything here. So I'm just gonna re-strip that back real quick. That might be the issue. Might be the issue. Alright, so I just re-stripped that a little bit, wired it back in. So I'm gonna leave the breaker off and I'm gonna go ahead and turn that thermostat, that furnace back on. Alright, let's see if this pops. Okay, so the fan is on, so that means my contactor should be pushed in right now. This thing did not pop, so safe to say that was the issue. I'm gonna go ahead and get a fuse. Okay, so my contactor is pushed in. Awesome. So let's turn on that breaker and we'll do a quick check on the pressures. This is 2006. This is an R22 system. Put this thing on R22. Saturation temperature is 37. 64, a little low. Alright, let's check our superheat subcool. Subcooling is at 1, superheat is at 21, so it does look like it is low. We already kind of knew that based off the pressures, but this thing has multiple issues, so I am not even about to, put no 407C on it or nothing, because I'll show you guys the other issues it has inside. So they just put this furnace in. It's a newer furnace. Look at this return plenum. Look at this filter rack. Looks like crap. It's disgusting. Put a 20 by 25. They should have put a 16 by 25 and they should have, you know, made a new plenum, a new metal plenum, so you can get as much return as possible. They have 2 10-inch flex ducts on here, which is not the end of the world because this is a 2-ton system. See, 2-ton, but another bigger duct will be better, but that's not the biggest issue. The biggest issue here is this return plenum is small and it's not reaching enough surface. It's not returning as much air as the filter can hold, you know what I mean? So if they would have made a new 16 by 25, they would have got more return air through that filter rack instead of doing this. I mean, just look at that. It's ridiculous. They should have just done that while they changed out the furnace. You know, some people don't think about that, but other people do. And look at this. So we are not about to worry about the low charge issue, especially when you got other issues like that. And this is a property management, so you know they don't really care. But 61, that's low. Saturation temperature is at 34, so a little bit more. If that filter gets dirty enough, it'll freeze up. All right, so another weekend call that went pretty smooth. So yesterday I uploaded a video of a capacitor. Then today, yesterday we had calls come in from the property management, and I remembered that I had a dentist appointment tomorrow, Monday the 2nd, June the 2nd. So I'd rather knock this one out. Like I said, it was 14 minutes away from me in Austell, Georgia. Yeah, so that was the issue. That short, very simple fix, but then, you know, you find other issues while you're there that you can't really do much about. You're not dealing with homeowners directly, so you can't really explain it to them. You can't just top it off with, you know, the 407C or the 422 or the what they call that 99, the MO99. So it's one of those things that you know, the system is running, it's just not running efficiently. They just replaced that furnace. They could have done a better job. You know, I'm not trying to blame it on them, but it's definitely an issue. They put a 3-ton drive furnace, 70,000 BTU for a 2-ton system, and this house, it does not need that. They could have went with a 45,000 BTU. I'm pretty sure they did not change the fan speed on it, so it's probably running for 3 tons worth of air, or trying to at least. So it's just a lot of things that, you know, that you would probably tell a homeowner if you were dealing with a homeowner directly. So yeah, guys, that's what's going on. But I am gonna submit a separate quote to get that replaced. You know, this property management company, they're pretty good sometimes on replacements. So sometimes when I don't think I'm gonna get a change out with them, I actually get it. Obviously they try to be cheap as possible. They try to keep the budget very low. But in this case, I would just submit to replace the coil, the outdoor unit, and that plenum, you know. But yeah, folks, that's what it is. It is Sunday. I'll show you guys. It is Sunday. I don't know if you can see, it says Sunday. So pretty chill Sunday. God bless. I hope everybody's enjoying their time with their family on Sundays. I know that's what I'm about to go do, enjoy time with the fam bam. God bless everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you.